It's your boy Esquatch, your size 15 sneaker enthusiast, and yo, if you're finding yourself on my channel for the first time, I review shoes for the Bigfoot community. So if you're a part of that community, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bells, let everybody know you're in here. Be a part of the Bigfoot platoon. It's time for another unboxing, and I am very excited to bring you this because this particular shoe, not only did it sell out super fast, it was extremely limited. But your boy copped it in a size 15. The shoe that we are reviewing is none other than... You already see what your boy got this in. The KD4, the khaki, noble red, and sesame, size 15. 2024 is the year of the wood dragon. As you can tell why the KD box is outfitted in this wood type material. I did another review for a Chinese New Year, which is the Jia one. You can check that out. Right off the bat, you can see that the box is draped in some type of wood looking material because it is the year of the wood dragon. We have the gold dragon on the front, Nike emblem here, KD initials mixed in. Once open side, we have a nice chocolate wood looking box. We got the gold bag. Now this bag is for you to transport the sneakers to the gym. Get your hoop game on. They actually are individually wrapped. Go ahead and take these bad boys out the bag. And here we have the KD4 Year of the Dragon. Year of the Wood Dragon. Let's get it straight now. Year of the Wood Dragon. KD4. Shoe price point was at $150 last week on Sneakers app. Come through with $160 after taxes. Colorway, man, this is a nice colorway. The colorway features a neutral khaki and sesame with a wood grain pattern on the 4-foot strap right here, and hints of noble red to punctuate the brand, and this is nice right here. One thing that's dope about this shoe is this elevated dragon motif that wraps around the heel with KD's logo in it. Look at the cush right here. Look at the dragon. This is a nice, I love the detail. If you pay attention, this has some very, very nice details. You can see it has the mesh right here for breathability. Got some awesome traction right there. You already know if you play ball in KD4s how good this is. It comes with these brown laces. I actually like this. I really like this. Like how you got that. Look at this. Look how you got the KD right here on the tongue. It's just, everything just is in place like it needs to be, man. Everything just, all the colors just pop together, man. Like, this is really freaking dope. Got the zoom support here. Like I said, them brown laces. Only thing, other laces I would pop in here probably, switch out, would be some red ones. So like you see, we got a Nike swoosh right here on the toe box. We have the good look charm here that comes with it on the string, on the laces, I'm sorry. I like this. I'm gonna probably put this on my key ring. Motif dragon embroidered on this side as well with the KD logo on the side. Gum bottom. You have KD's signature right here within the outsole. Man, this is dope. I really like it. I love that brown sock liner, bro. This is not a bad shoe, man. I'm not mad at it. I really think I can make some things happen with this. It's the wood grain pattern on this 4-strap. Sold out since then on the sneakers. I don't think they had that many from the beginning. I cannot complain. Once again, it's your boy Esquatch, your size 15 sneaker enthusiast. And until next time, peace. Give your boy something on foot. We out.
all you got to do is follow me.